Hello everyone, how are you? I am showing you a very latest video of raining season. You can see that these persons are doing bad activities like in these heavy rain days they are doing bad activities like they are doing torture to a horse. So you can again see that they are doing bad torture to horse, that the horse is in rain, in an open rain, and this rain is so bad for him because it is some acid are also included in this rain because it is new rain of the season. So please like and subscribe this channel for seeing my videos.